Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install fonts on Windows 10 and Windows 11 step by step. Installing new fonts allows you to use different text styles in your documents, designs, and projects. So let's get started. First, download the font you want to install on your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the font file in your Downloads folder. If the font is in a zip file, right-click the zip file and select Extract All. Next, open the extracted folder and locate the font file. Double-click the font file to open it. A preview window will appear showing the font style. At the top of the window, click Install. Wait a few moments while Windows installs the font. Once the installation is complete, open an application such as Microsoft Word, Paint, or Photoshop. Open the font list and you should see your newly installed font available to use. And that's it. You've successfully installed fonts on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tutorials and tips. See you in the next one.